You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. A boy's name, usually of Sanskrit origin. The meaning is patient. Indian pronunciation, if you want to learn more Indian names, stay tuned. Dhiraj. Dhiraj in English, therefore the pronunciation is as Dhiraj. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.